Hello everybody. Hey, welcome to Broadstairs. Lovely day today, spring day, and I'm here to talk about the second in my Art Nouveau inspired works, Voysey Owls. Now, we've talked a lot in the past about inspiration. Where do you get your ideas from? It's the most frequently asked question. And in this case, it's this rather flimsy piece of tissue paper which my friend gave me. And a lot of people would consider this to be a throwaway item, but to me this is like gold dust, fantastic. And so this is the inspiration for this latest work. I love the palette this time. We've got this very subtle, it's called celandine, this green, which matched with the neo lavender and the purples. I've made a special purple marini for the wings. We've got some grapes down here. This colour is called golden green. And you'll notice that William Ward, it's the same frame as last time, the Art Nouveau inspired frame, but you can see he's got more yellow ochre to go with the golden green there. Introduction of a little bit of gold to define it. I think it's one of my best, but I keep saying that, don't I? So maybe I should stop saying that. And as usual, I've written an accompanying verse which goes like this. Art Nouveau. The most extravagant period that I know is the flamboyance known as Art Nouveau. With those beautiful curves and flowing line, you can see why Mr. Voysey is a friend of mine.